My role in the trial was just to facilitate the patient journey from the screening visits right through to the end, the completion, doing all the procedures, making sure the patients were looked after, making sure they were safe throughout, and just helping to make it a nice experience for them. I think when you're in a clinical trial, you are certainly looked after very well. You have access to fantastic care. I mean, care is great all the way through hospital life, as I see it. But when you're on a clinical trial, it's just extra special because you've got really good doctors looking after you. We want the patients to be happy. We want them to come to where the research is taking place, and we want it to succeed. We need some good results from it, so they have to be looked after very well for that to happen. There is a protocol that we follow. All research studies have that, and it's specific to the study. So they need to consent, obviously, initially to that, which is done by the doctor. And then from then on, it's expected that they, participate, obviously voluntary. So they can withdraw at any time, but they have to do have things like bloods taken regularly, attend for visits. That's when it's the right time, not just when they think they can come. There's a certain, time frame that we have to adhere to for each visit. So they do have to be fairly flexible, at times. We do try and accommodate them as best we can, but sometimes, we have to be quite firm, so they do attend. The patients that we saw were all really willing to take part in the study. They were keen to do it because there isn't a lot of treatment for that specific area. So they did want to take part. And I think on the whole, most of them, even if they thought they were on placebo at the time, they would still have done the study because obviously they want it to help in the future. From a research nurse point of view, I definitely think that this particular trial was really useful to have. There aren't very many thyroid studies out there for this particular disease, and there aren't very many particular treatments for people with this particular thyroid condition. So it was a really good, study to have happen.